Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Smokey here to give you some makeup tips and tricks. Hopefully you have been enjoying my lifestyle videos, product reviews, and some of my makeup looks. So here I am to do one of my new Smokey favorite eyeshadow looks. This is a makeup palette by Colourpop, and it has some really gorgeous shades, as you can see. So these are some really pretty shades, some of my favorite. I really like Poppin'. It's mauve, Hubba Bubba. It's a good color to smoke your eye out with. And then these are some really fun glitters you can put on top, and it doesn't require any special glitter glue, which I always enjoy because glitter glue can make things more expensive, also messier. It's another step into your makeup application. So these are some really cool eyeshadows that the glitter just goes right on top. So it's for easy application. So I'm going to use this palette to do my look today. So I'm going to start with the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Primer. It really helps with the eyeshadow color to stand out. So I usually do this a nice amount. I don't like to use too much, and I like to blend it in. I also like to go into the inner corners, the tear duct of my eye, because I like to put shadow there. So I like to blend out the primer. So I'm going to use the shade Sweet Capacity and start here in this arch and just blend the color in lightly. It's a nice peachy pink. It's a really pretty color. Take any blending brush, go over. Okay. What I'm gonna do, the next step, is take a small brush and go for the Gummy A Break, like a highlighter color, and put this in the inner corner of my eye. I like to put bright colors in the inner corner to highlight it. Gives you a little pop and is brighter. Here you go. And then I'm going to take the MAC 283 and actually go ahead into the color Popping, this fun mauve, this dark mauve right here. Do the same on the other side. making it darker. And then I'm going to take the same blending brush I used before and actually blend in so it just looks very natural. There you go. And I'm going to take this brush and use the color Haba Baba, this dark brown, and actually smoke out my eyes. Make it one angle here, one angle up top. Kind of make like a triangle at the end of your eyes, at the corner of your eyes, like that. And look, you see the smoky, the brown and mauve smoky appearing. Right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now make sure it's the same shape. A little triangle here. And make sure it's the same. Take your blending brush, kind of blend in the transition here. Make it look very natural. Okay. I use a fan brush to remove the fallout without there being too much of it actually appearing on your face. And I'm gonna go back to the color popping and just darken this mauve color. I love this purplish mauve. It's my favorite color. And now I will take another brush and I'm gonna use this dark brown color and go under my waterline. Take an angle brush and you go around your waterline, right like that. Now I'm gonna remove all the fallout. Okay, must stop it. So the next step is I'm gonna take this. Do you see how fun that looks? And it just elevates the whole eye look. All in one palette. This palette is probably $10 or $15 on Colourpop. And it's really my new favorite palette because it has all of my favorite, very blendable colors. And you can create tons of looks. Do you see that? So fun. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. It's very buildable, this eyeshadow looks. And you don't need a lot of products for a whole bunch of different types of products. I hate when there's too many steps with eye looks, but sometimes it's necessary. Sometimes you need a ton of different products to create the looks, but this is really fun, simple, and quick. Takes less than about 10 minutes. So this is the eyeshadow look. Okay, turn it off, Mom. I'm going to complete this look with a winged eyeliner. I like to start in the inner corner of my eyes. and start really skinny in the inside, barely touching the waterline. And then I like to bring it back up. And there you have it, a winged eyeliner look. To bring the look together, do the same thing on the other side. Really close on the waterline, and then wing it out like that. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I want you to take a look at all the different colors I used to shade in my tear duct, my lid, and then I creased it out in the outer corners of my eyelids. So all the different shade I used from this palette, and then I used the Sweet Light glitter on top. And then what I really like doing, instead of using eyeliner in the waterline, I just use a shadow color because I feel like it brings out my natural eyes. And the kajal or the black eyeliner I'd usually put in, it was just too much. It was just very, very dark look, and it took away from the shadow and the color. So I just started playing with the eyeshadow colors in the waterline, and I feel like it looks more natural. It helps the winged eyeliner stand out. And this is what I call my mauve shadow smoky, my smoky mauve eyeshadow look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And I hope you guys have a great day and keep on watching more beauty tips and tricks, lifestyle hacks, and some of the cooking videos that we really enjoy creating for you guys. Till next time, bye.